how to connect your headphones to your laptop. So I'll be demonstrating this with a pair of AirPods, but this will work with any Bluetooth headphones. So the first thing we need to do is just come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar, and if you go and click on something like your Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom down here, you'll see we have this Bluetooth icon appear, and the first thing we need to do is just click on this like so, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on and enabled. Now if you can't find Bluetooth from here, then just open up the start menu on your computer, go and search for settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices. And right here you'll see Bluetooth, make sure this is turned on. Now the next thing we're going to do is just click on the add device button at the top here, and then you can go and select Bluetooth. So now I'm going to pick up my AirPods, and we need to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on the headphones. So what I'm going to do is just flick open the AirPods lid like this, and I'm going to hold down the button on the back for around about 10 to 15 seconds. And you're going to see this solid white light, and we just need to keep holding down this button, and after about 10 seconds this white light will change into a blinking amber light. So as soon as you see the blinking amber light, you can go in, close the lid of your AirPods. You can then go in and reopen the AirPods, and you should then be able to find your AirPods from this list of devices. If it doesn't show up straight away, you can always click back on add device, click on Bluetooth again, and you can check to see if it's now appearing. So once you see your device in this list here, you can just go and select it from the list of options, and that should go and automatically connect to your headphones. So let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.